Ay, nakapasok. Tapos mo na pupod mo.
Ano pa talaga ako sa slang niya? Sa kalalamunan yan.
I'm the only child of my parents. We are rich. We are rich. We are given the promised part. I have my own face and I have my own farm. Perhaps you can say that I am the luckiest child in this world. But you are mistaken.
Sige ka muna.
Tinga ka muna.
You are mistaken. Yes, I can get all the material things in this world. But I'm lost of love and comfort from my parents.
Oo nga din. Wait, may sipan siya.
Sige ka muna.
But I'm lost of love and comfort from my parents. They're always telling me that they are busy with their business.
Mali nga yung akin.
One day, when I came home from school, I saw my mother's car in the rush. I felt glad. I ran upstairs to see her and keep her before I really missed her. But when I entered her room, God, what did I saw? What did I see? I saw my mother in the arms.
Kaya mo,
of her
dapat
friend.
hindi mo na pinansin.
And I came to her and asked her, Mommy, who is that man? He is not dad. Then my mommy stood up and hold me by my shoulder and said,
Batang-bata yung boses
never
mo.
tell your daddy what you saw. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to go.
Kasama daw yun sa linya, ano ka ba?
I just saw myself crying in the arms of my yaya. Oh, my yaya whom I loved, my yaya whom I trusted. Again, one day, when I was playing, I saw my dad's coat. I was haggard. And I felt so bad.
Aaron na.
And I felt so bad. I ran upstairs to see him and kiss him.
Sa akin, girl. Napansin ko kaya yun.
But when I entered his
Ikaw,
room,
alam mo kung pwede na.
God, what did I saw? My yaya is in the arms of my father. No, it's not true.
Parang blood pa siya ng yaya niya na sa amin.
And everything turned dark. What I only saw is my father's guy. Took it and shot my life.
Iyak mo siya. Huwag mo na kasi pansinin.
Oh my yaya, whom I love best. Oh my yaya, whom I trusted. Oh my yaya, whom I love more than my mother. Now, my yaya is based on her own blood.
Wala
I
na.
don't know what to do. I don't know where to go. I just run. I run and run. And I'm tired. I'm hungry.
Nasabi ko ba yun?
I saw the storekeeper
Not looking at
not looking at me.
I took this
So I
apple.
stole this apple and bite it. Now you